हाय एंड वेलकम बैक टू एमएच इनसाइट्स। आज हमारा टॉपिक है कॉमन हॉस्पिटल मेडिसिन एंड उनके यूजेस। हम इसको 2 पार्ट्स में कंप्लीट करेंगे। ये यूजुअली शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन में आता है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। सो द कॉमन हॉस्पिटल मेडिसिन और उनके यूजेस में सबसे पहले आती है पेन रिलीवर्स, जो रिलीव करते हैं माइल्ड टू मॉडरेट पेन सच एज हेडेक, बॉडी एक, टूथएक एंड रिड्यूस फीवर। द एग्जांपल्स आर पैरासिटामोल एंड ibuprofen. Antibiotics, they used to treat bacterial infections such as respiratory tract infections, urinary tract infections, and skin infections. Examples are amoxicillin and ceftriaxone. Then comes the antacids. ये reduce करती हैं stomach acid को, relieve करती हैं acidity, heatburn, indigestion, and treat ulcers. For examples, omeprazole and ranitidine. Then comes the bronchodilators. They are used to relieve breathing difficulties in conditions like asthma, coronary obstructive pulmonary disorder, and other respiratory disorders. For example, salbutamol and theophylline. Then comes the antihypertensives. They are used to control high blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart attack, stroke, and kidney problems. Examples are amlodipine and losartan. Then comes the anti-inflammatory drugs used to reduce inflammation, relieve pain and swelling in conditions जैसे कि arthritis, muscle pain and injuries. इसमें examples आप लिख सकते हो diclofenac and ibuprofen. Antihistamines, they are used to relieve allergy symptoms जैसे कि sneezing में, runny nose में, watery eyes हो, itching हो and skin rashes हो. Examples are cetirizine and loratadine. Then 8th is the laxatives. They are used to treat constipation and promote bowel movements for easier passage of stool. Examples are lactulose and biscodoil. IV fluids and electrolytes, they maintain the hydration, correct electrolyte imbalance, support करते हैं blood pressure को and deliver medications. For example, normal salines, ringelrectate and dextrose. Then comes the anti-diabetics or the insulin. They are used to control the blood sugar levels in diabetes, especially when oral medicines are not enough. Examples are insulin regular, insulin glargine and insulin lispro. Then comes the corticosteroids जैसे कि dexamethasone, hydrocortisone और prednisolone. ये reduce करते हैं severe inflammation, suppress करते हैं immune responses को conditions like asthma allergies में, autoimmune diseases में and more. Then comes the anticoagulants जैसे कि heparin and warfarin. ये prevent करते हैं blood clots in conditions like deep vein thrombosis, pulmonary embolism and to reduce the risk of stroke and heart attack. Then comes the vaccines, hepatitis B vaccine, influenza vaccine and tetanus toxoid. ये prevent करते हैं infectious diseases by stimulating the immune system and providing the protection against specific bacteria और viruses के. Then are the anticonvulsants जैसे कि sodium valproate. ये help करते हैं control करने में seizures, prevent करते हैं epilepsy attacks by stabilizing the electrical activity in the brain. Then to treat eye infections, we use moxifloxacin eye drops, latanoprost eye drops and carboxymethyl cellulose eye drops to reduce the intraocular pressure in glaucoma and relieve dry eye symptoms. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye.